Hello, my name is Clyde. Welcome to the hills of Paramin, and today I would like to invite you all into my kitchen. Okay, hello everyone. Good day again, pleasant day. Today in my kitchen, I will going to make some fritters, pumpkin fritters. A lot of people might know about it, but I will do it today. So right now I'll put my pumpkin to boil. I'll put a little pinch of salt, not too much. I will pour it out now and crush it up and add all my ingredients. Now I'll add a pinch of baking powder, not too much. Some sugar. I'll put a pinch of flour too also. That is to make it bind up, hold up. Okay, now we're ready for frying stage. So I'll put my pot to hot and prepare to fry some fritters. I'll put my oil and start to fry up. Well, it could be morning time, could be night time to eat with bake, or sometime wait it just like that. Because yeah, well, when she make a good amount, so everybody will get like 2-3 to eat, and that's a meal by itself. Yeah. So, but when you eat it with a bake, it goes on better. Yeah. So that was the menu. Yeah. You have to keep moving it for it not to stick. Because if you leave it one place, so now my fritters good. I'll take them out, let them cool out, so we could have a little meal. So now I'll take a piece of my coconut bake. With one of the fritter, which I already pinched out piece from earlier on. And so when I'm eating, I take a piece of bake and a piece of fritter.
So that's how you normally eat it?
That's how we normally eat it, yeah. That's one. And you're good to go. And this is breakfast or dinner, anything.